Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 19 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me. Oh, jeez. Join me on Discord, let me know what you think about today's poem. 1971, find if path exists in graph. This seems like a graph problem, maybe for obvious reasons. But yeah, hope everyone's having a great weekend. A lot of World Cup action. Congrats to Argentina and Messi. For those Messi fans out there, France kind of, you know, it was a very exciting game and probably too exciting. But I don't know. As a Messi fan, I'm glad that he finally won one and now ride off to the sunset somewhere, as we all hope to do someday. All right. Anyway, today's poem is 1971. Find if path exists in graphs. Okay, so which one is this one? Is it easy problem? They claim that you have an edged list. You have a source and a destination. You want to see if you can get there from there. Okay, I mean, there are a lot of ways you can do it. Depth first search, breadth first search, whatever, right? Those are the two. And the other one is, I mean, there's depth first search and breadth first search, but also you can also just use what you might call it, union find or disjoint. Where's the? I always forget what it. Disjoint union. Disjoint set what? Disjoint set unions. Whatever. DSU structure. Man, I'm really blanking out today. But there are a couple of ways you can do it for sure. And I think the last couple of times I kind of flipped the coins. I'm going to do it again if I can find my coin. And today we're just going to do breadth first search or depth first search. I guess the area of trees are over. At least for a little bit. I can't find a bigger coin. I have like this really dinky coin, but don't even know. They're both tails. It doesn't seem like there's a head on this. That's a little bit awkward. I guess I have my stash of things in the back. Okay, that's a quarter, right? Okay, so now I have heads and a state. New Hampshire, live or die free. Or live free or die, what did I say? It's so weird. Okay, so heads, I'll do breadth first search. And then this is heads, so I get breadth first search. Okay, so yeah, let's start breadth first search. And for me, I really don't have a preference. I mean, sometimes the trade-offs are pretty straightforward, and I've done this very recently. I think on another video, unless I've kind of made that up. Where I'll show you how to kind of convert it from breadth first search to depth first search in a second. But the thing with recursion is that in certain scenarios, the recursive stack does get too big, and you run into core stack memory type issues, and that's really the only thing that I think matters in terms of stuff where they are interchangeable. They're not always interchangeable. For example, shortest path, you need breadth first search. Certain other stuff like bridge finding and stuff like that, you want depth first search. So it really depends on the problem. But for path for connectivity, in at least in these cases, in this particular easy example, I don't think it matters. So yeah, so let's start with a breadth first search. So yeah, so okay, so we also have to yeah, so something like I guess I'll call it adjacency list. Data pen and zero based. Okay, just want to make sure. I always like converting them to zero based, though I don't know, some people depends on what you prefer, but that's just me. Okay, so yeah, so we have created adjacency list. We have a source and destination. Let's do an enqueue of x, and because we don't really have to care about anything, and then maybe scene is equal to force times n. Here you can also use a set. It really depends on, I don't know, because I think this is this makes it all of n space, where you could make the other one more linear, but I don't know, it doesn't really matter, or shouldn't be, but I don't know. It really depends on the hidden cases, I suppose, because in the long term they're both roughly the same, but it's still going to take linear space anyway. Okay, because this is breadth first search, and I'm kind of lazy about explaining it, but yeah, that pop left, and then now for v in adjacency list of now, we enqueue v, right? If scene of v is not true, right? We haven't seen it, let's enqueue it. and then we just return where the scene of destination is true. Right? If we seen it, then it's connected. If not, then it's not. That must confuse these. 02. How do I not? I actually, this happens a lot where I forget to enqueue the source. So yeah, so that was the first thing I looked at, and then when I saw that I didn't, I mean, it's very obvious. Somehow it still got the thing that was confusing was, I guess, it's just the default force. Let's give it a submit. Hopefully I didn't make another silly mistake, which happens a lot. But apparently I did this 12 days ago. Why did I do this 12 days ago? Oh, was that just a random problem that I did that happens to be not premium? Okay, well, so you probably just have seen me done it not that long ago, and I did it that time in the same way. Except I did it with a set. Oh, and a depth first search. So now you've seen me done it 2 ways. Okay. Yeah. So I mean, I guess now you've seen me done it 2 ways. The thing that I was gonna say is that to convert this into depth first search, instead of pop left, you can just do pop, so that now you're using a stack instead of a queue. And that's it. Everything else is the same. So it's kind of really easy to go back and forth the way that I wrote it here. This is going to be, as I said, V plus E, so linear time, linear space, and that's all I have for this one. I need to go to the gym, or at least I should go to the gym. So, because I stayed up way too, well, I didn't stay up. I woke up early and then, watched the World Cup game. So, didn't get my workout in, so I have to do that. So no premium bonus today. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Hope y'all, the holidays coming up. Hope y'all are celebrating, or I guess I don't hope you're celebrating. If you're celebrating, I hope you're doing okay or whatever. I don't know. I'm being awkward, so that's all I have for now. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.